Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I have episode number 2 of my mini Valentine's Day series. Today we're going to do a matte black and gold nail set that you see here with some gold rhinestones. Everything will be listed below, so let's get right into it. I'm just showing you guys the instructions. This is telling you to cure it for at least 60 to 20 seconds. I did thin layers of this black poly gel and I cured it for 120 seconds between each layer. Here I was just showing you that I used a size 14 Makartt gel brush. Most gel kits come with a poly gel brush, but those are always a little bit smaller and I wanted a bigger size brush. It makes applying the poly gel a lot easier. On this finger, I'm doing an ombre down into clear, so I like to bring the polygel down evenly and then start to ombre it out. I try to first get like a straight line of the darker polygel, then I'm ombreing down to the light into a straight line and then ombre it down. With this finger, I'm doing a whole finger of polygel. So this black polygel was not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. So I did go back in and go over the nails that I have the black polygel on and did a coat of black gel polish because I didn't want a translucent type of black nail. I wanted to be a nice dark non-see-through nail. So I did have to go and use some gel polish to, just give it the opacity that I was looking for, and you'll see that coming up. You guys, I do have this sped up. I'm not working this fast. I'm actually working at a slower pace because I like to make sure that my polygel is applied nice and smooth because it cuts down on all the following I have to do at the end. So even after adding the second layer of polygel, the opacity was just too translucent for me. So now I'm going to go in with that black gel polish, and on my middle and pinky finger, I'm not even going to add a second layer to those. I'm just going to use the black gel polish. Now I'm adding my heart glitters. You can add the glitters any way you want at this point, any colors you want. Matter of fact, you don't even have to have your colors be black and gold. You can use any colors you can think of. I just wanted to use black and gold because it's not the typical Valentine's Day, colors. People usually use red or pink, sometimes like purple, but I just wanted to try a black and gold set. And I got my inspiration from this picture right here on Pinterest. So now I'm just going to go in with this clear poly gel and encapsulate all of my glitter, as well as continuing to build the nail up because the tip of the nail on this finger doesn't have any structure or strength because there's no poly gel. And then my ring finger I have to encapsulate, and then my middle and pinky finger I just have to paint with the black gel polish. I am making sure to keep my layers very thin with this clear polygel because I am going to go in with more glitter, and I'll still have to encapsulate that second layer of glitter, and you just don't want your nail to be too thick. So I did all my shaping and filing off camera. If you would like to see how I did that, please comment down below and I'll make sure to make a video on the way I shape and file. So if you made it this far, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like what you've seen so far. Give me a like, and please comment down below if you would like a more detailed tutorial on how to do the polygel nails, because I definitely would do that for you guys.